Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a plus b where 1 over a plus 1 over b is equal to 1 over 11, or here LCM is a b, so we will get b plus a is equal to 1 over 11. Or now applying cross multiplying we will get 11 times b plus a is equal to ab, or 11 times b, that means 11b, plus 11 times a, that means 11a, and taking this ab to left side we will get negative ab is equal to 0. Or now multiplying both sides by negative 1 we will get negative 11b negative 11a plus ab is equal to 0. Rearranging it, we can write here ab minus 11b minus 11a is equal to 0. Or now we can write here ab minus 11b minus 11a plus 121 is equal to 121. Or now taking common b to first two term we will get b times a minus 11, and taking common negative 11 to last two term we will get a minus 11 is equal to 121. Or now taking common a minus 11 we will get a minus 11 times b minus 11 is equal to 121 can be written as 1 times 121, or 121 times 1, or 11 times 11. Now we can write here a minus 11 is equal to 1, so b minus 11 is equal to 121. Now we can write here a is equal to 1 plus 11, so a is equal to 12. When a is equal to 12, then b is equal to 121 plus 11, so b is equal to 132. And we can write here a minus 11 is equal to 121, so b minus 11 is equal to 1, b minus 11 is equal to 1. And when a minus 11 is equal to 11, a minus 11 is equal to 11, then b minus 11 is equal to 11, b minus 11 is equal to 11. Here we can write a is equal to 121 plus 11, so a is equal to 132. And here we can write b is equal to 1 plus 11, so b is equal to 12. Okay, now here we can write a is equal to 11 plus 11, so a is equal to 22, and b is equal to 11 plus 11, so b is equal to 22. Now we need the value of a plus b, so we can write here a plus b is equal to, now attention here, these two equations, when a is equal to 12 then b is equal to 132, and when a is equal to 132 then b is equal to 12. So a plus b are similar. So we can write here when a is equal to 12 then b is equal to 132. So a plus b is equal to 144, and this equations a plus b is equal to 22 plus 22 is equal to 44. So finally the value of a plus b is equal to 144 and 44. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.